name is Chef Arnest, and we want to start making some jack chicken with rice and a very nice sauce that we want to make today. Come, I show you some ingredients that I have today. One, I have the rice. We have our rice here. We have our chicken, very well marinated chicken with the Caribbean style, and then we have our chicken sauce stock for the chicken that's going to make our chicken very nice. And then we have our jack spice. This one's a Jamaican spice, made locally. Is very nice and very tasty. Now let's go and start making our chicken today. You do is to put some little oil on your pan, and then we're going to put our chicken here to cook for some until it's cooked well done. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. It is done. Now this is our chicken thigh. What we have to do is just put some chicken thigh here. It's quite nice and very well marinated. Then we leave it to cook. Leave the chicken to cook. It's very nice, okay? The chicken will cook for some time. First of all, the chicken will cook. Then I'll tell you some of the things that we're going to add to it. The chicken is well marinated. Leave it to cook for some less than 10 minutes. It shall be done. In 10 minutes it shall be done. And then we'll cook the other ingredients until you're going to plate. Put it on the plate right down there, okay? See, cooking very nicely. Some oil to make sure that it is cooked on both sides. Now our chicken is cooking from both sides. As you can see, it's much brown, turning golden brown. As you can see both sides. Now we have to turn it. Now we need to add in the chicken stock to make it more tasty, okay? Now the chicken is cooking. After adding in our chicken stock, it will cook until you find the inner part, so the inside is well cooked. Then after that, we shall add in now our jack spice. Now it's time to add in our jack spice. It's very nice, very yummy. Okay. The chicken is so nice. This is the end product. It's very nice, okay? So what happens is very nice end product, which is the jack chicken thigh. This is our hot sauce, and then this is the curry sauce. This one used for rice. Of course, we have our rice. Then our chicken comes next to eat. Chicken comes next to eat. Very yummy, very sweet. I think this is enough. Then the salad comes last. Salad. Yeah. Just for finishing out, we need to add in some garnishes. This is our garnish. It comes with the chicken. And our Jamaican jack spice jack chicken is ready for the salad. Okay?